Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2019 Hyundai Kona. This one is fitted with the 1.6 liter turbocharged motor as well as all-wheel drive. This is part of our pre-owned inventory, so I figured I'd take a look and spotlight what we get in. Take a look at the back hatch here. Really great amount of room for the segment. I love the spec on this one too. So it's this nice gray metallic with this light colored leather. Absolutely wonderful. The Kona has very distinctive styling. It's supposed to be a kind of an urban off-roader kind of vibe. So you have this black plastic body paneling to show its ruggedness. It's a really unique look. I'm personally a big fan of it. So this is the Kona Ultimate. Like I said, 1.6 liter inline 4 that's turbocharged. Sonic Silver is the exact color name of this exact one. Infinity sound system, as with most high-end Hyundais. You have the Kona floor mats here. Really pretty looking SUV. You hop inside, I can turn the power on. You have your full infotainment system here. I shut you off. You can go into media, so if you had a USB or anything like that. Your map and navigation. You can seek your tracks and stuff like that. Hit the star to go back home, or you can set that to actually whatever you want. That's a pretty unique idea. Then you can go into setup. That's all your main infotainment. It fires right up. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a drive. Alright, and now on to the drive of this 2019 Kona. So far, I love it. This 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Ton of fun, really peppy powertrain. No complaints there. I really like the spec too, this light colored interior, really nice. You can also shut off that heads-up display. Really peppy powertrain. is a ton of torque from this motor. The handling is actually really fun. Steering is nice and responsive. Not a ton of body roll. It's really kind of fun. It's a nice funky interior. It's really kind of cool. I like this thing. Normal mode, the throttle response is lessened a little bit, makes it a little bit more, well, comfortable. Transmission tuning changes, shift points are decreased. Makes it for a much more relaxing experience. But where's the fun in that? This dual clutch shifts really well. Really quick under full acceleration, and really smooth when you're just putting around town. It's a very good transmission. I'm impressed. I've had some horror stories with dual clutches, but this seems to be pretty good. The ride is really good. Yeah, this thing is impressive. I like this thing a lot. Hyundai stepped up their game, that is for sure. Yeah, I can't think of a lot of cars that are this good for this price range. Especially in the handling department. I mean, look at this. That's amazing. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.